Let's roleplay.
Hi guys, did you decide which club to join? Not yet. I still have no idea. Think about what you like to do for fun. What are your hobbies? I just have too many hobbies. I love taking photographs and even making and collecting dead model figures. Oh, and I also love cooking, watching science fiction movies, skateboarding, and young. You pick one of them. Why do I need to choose one? There are too much fun in this world. What is your hobby, Olivia? I enjoy reading travel books, so I signed up for a book club. Now you want to join the club with me? I actually love reading comic books. Well, a comic book is a type of book. That's perfect. Let's sign up for it. It would be awesome. Alright, fine. Let's go now. I'm glad found the Rick hobby. I'm not very sure if he likes the book club or Olivia. Anyways, what about you, Jan? Which club will you join? Science is the answer. I will join a science club. That's a great idea. But I heard it's really tough. You need to work on many projects, and plus the teacher is really strict. I just changed my mind. I would probably join a photography club. Already? That's a great idea. Please take handsome picture of me when you become a pro. Yep. Thank